As a founder of a Balinese destination spa and director of a family-owned hotel business since 2006, I finally embraced changes and took intentional steps to take the leap in 2021 to join real estate, where I can play a role in one's decision and voyage in getting probably one of most expensive assets, be it dream home or investment portfolio. Hi, my name is Sharon, and my constant motivation is to be a continual inspiration to myself and to others in positive ways. You may ask, how does that work out to being a realtor? Well, in a mixed century of business makings in the past 2 decades, one thing in common with real estate is all about people business, soft skills. What is interesting is that every property is discriminatingly different, be it expectations, settings in unthinkable scenes, and clients' personality and style. Firstly, I believe in practicing business judgment, not deal chasing but value adding based on savoir-faire and acumen. Then, apply the organic approach that is objective and empathetic, the kind of empathy to make things right for everyone. Encourage collaboration where ideas are exchanged and explored. Bounce off perspectives and thoughts. Break down the study to bite size and take every case as a masterpiece and translate to fulfillment. My greatest satiety is when I receive clients' testimonials and reviews. Secondly, real estate is undisputedly a relationship business. Integral to the success of a transaction is the nested relationship. Happy to unravel 4 active ingredients to take the helm of a good relationship. R. Real. True blue. So my favorite manner is to be just me. Be candid. There's no need to perform. Practice good faith. E. Empowering relationship. Go for transparency and respect. It's meaningful when reciprocated. A. Appreciate. Where commitments to each other are clear. L. Listening selflessly. Have calm communication. Balance out objectivity and empathy while exercising duty of care and trust. Add intelligence to the equation to balance out the gaps. Represent the interests of who you represent and do the reconciliatory role. The best is laughter and adventure together. My pride and pleasure is to make every day count, to be dependable and to represent things under my care in an ideal form. Add Sharon to your whole real estate shopping cart. This is my number. Happy to chat and look forward to meeting up with you.